Today I'm participating in an open invite hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and co-hosted by All Things Luxe by Robin. And there are a couple of rules we're supposed to follow. We're supposed to style 2 coffee tables for Mother's Day, and the hashtag we're to use is Mother's Day Coffee Table Styling for 2020. So when you're done with this video, make sure you head over to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and All Things Luxe by Robin to check out their channels, as well as the other participants in this collab. Here's my first coffee table styling. Enjoy! Hi guys, thanks for watching. Today I'm participating in a Mother's Day collab, and this, as I mentioned, is my first coffee table presentation. And as you can see, I've got candle holders on each side. I bling them out a little bit. Some of the material may be looking a little familiar to you DIYers that bling things out. Here's the second one. And I've got these little boxes here. They're not books. They look like books, but they're not. And they're storage containers I got from Amazon. They come in 3 different sizes. And I love that you can store things in them. It's got a pretty inside. That's the smaller one. And they've got different designs on them. So this is the medium size one, as you can see. And here's my larger one. You can put magazines, or you can actually put your remote control in it. And I just got my mirror here that I put some bling around it to show off the roses. They still smell really fresh. I've had them for about 1 week. I got them from my son, my daughter, and my husband for Mother's Day, and I wanted to showcase them in this Mother's Day collab. And they smell up the whole room. And yes guys, these are from Eternal Floor. I did a little video on them and I love them. I got silver. Give you a close-up look. And that's why I used the rose tea light candles. I didn't want to spray paint those. I just kept them white. That's the end of coffee table styling number 1. I'm going to show you number 2 now, and I want you to make sure you let me know in the description box which one you like better. Coffee table styling number 1 or number 2. So let's get to number 2. Alright guys, here is my second coffee table creation. I hope you enjoy it. I used some of the similar items in the first one, which makes you see you can do that and make a different statement, a different look. So as you see, I used the same tray, and the box is the same underneath. It's just turned around so that it displays a different pattern. And I've got crystals out here with my candles, and these are DIYs. I just put bling wrap around the bottom. And I also have a vase here that's a DIY. And I will leave all of the links in the description in case you want to see how I made those. My florals match my color scheme and my lighting. And I have here my book that matches my color scheme as well on the coffee table. And as you can see here, I've got some coasters, and they're holding my candle holders. These are DIYs that I made, these candle holders. And these are all Dollar Tree DIYs. This candle holder, this vase, and as you can see here, I've got some more of the crystals inside. And yeah, they all match. So if you wanted to change it up, you could put different types of flowers in your vase. You could put another color book on your table, and you could switch up the lighting to match. I will make sure I leave links in the description box for all the DIYs in case you are interested in trying to create these yourself. And I will also have the playlist for all the participants in this collab in the description box as well. If you're new to the channel and you like this content, feel free to subscribe. And if you're a returning viewer, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. This concludes my Mother's Day coffee table styling for 2020 collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.